Hi everyone, and welcome back to Astronomy with Pam. Today, we're exploring one of the biggest questions in all of science: just how big is our universe? It's a journey that takes us from our small blue planet all the way to the very edge of what we can see. So, sit back, relax, and let's travel together, from home to the farthest corners of space. We'll begin right here, on Earth. Our planet might seem enormous to us, but compared to the universe, it's like a single grain of sand on an endless beach. Earth's diameter is about 12,742 kilometers. It's a beautiful world, full of oceans, mountains, and life, orbiting an ordinary star we call the Sun. But even with all its wonders, Earth is just one planet in a much larger family known as the Solar System. Now, imagine zooming out. You'd see 8 planets, countless moons, asteroids, and comets, all circling around our Sun in a massive gravitational dance. If we include the distant icy bodies at the edge, the Solar System stretches nearly 287 billion kilometers wide. That's an enormous number, so large that even light, the fastest thing in existence, would need more than 15 hours to travel from one end to the other. Still, as vast as it is, the Solar System is only one tiny part of something much greater. Let's keep zooming out. Beyond the planets and comets, we find our home galaxy, the Milky Way. It's a magnificent spiral of stars, gas, and dust, stretching roughly 100,000 light-years across. Now, a light-year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, about 9.5 trillion kilometers. So, 100,000 light-years. That's a number almost beyond comprehension. Inside the Milky Way are around 400 billion stars, each potentially with its own planets, moons, and mysteries. Our Sun? It's just one of them, a tiny spark among hundreds of billions. But our galaxy doesn't exist alone in space. It belongs to a small cosmic neighborhood known as the Local Group. This group contains about 80 galaxies, including our closest large neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, which lies about 2.5 million light-years away. That means the light we see from Andromeda tonight actually left that galaxy more than 2 million years ago, long before humans even walked the Earth. It's a reminder that when we look up at the night sky, we're really looking into the past. Now, let's take an even bigger step back. Our local group is just one part of a vast collection called the Virgo supercluster. This region of space is about 110 million light-years across and contains thousands of galaxies, each one holding billions of stars. Galaxies in this region aren't evenly spread. They gather together in massive clusters of filaments, connected by invisible threads of something mysterious, dark matter. Think of it like a cosmic web, holding the structure of the universe together. On the largest scales, the universe looks almost like a sponge, full of clusters, filaments, and enormous empty spaces called voids. Some of these voids are hundreds of millions of light-years wide, vast stretches of almost nothing. And beyond all that lies the observable universe, everything we can see from Earth. It's estimated to be about 93 billion light-years across. Yes, 93 billion. That's the distance across the space that light has been able to reach since the universe began. But here's the incredible part: we can't see everything. The universe itself might be far larger, maybe even infinite. We're limited by the speed of light and by the age of the universe, which is about 13.8 billion years. So, the farthest galaxies we see today are showing us what they looked like more than 13 billion years ago, not what they look like now. We're literally peering back through time. Thanks to telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, we can see deeper than ever before. When it stares into what looks like a dark patch of sky, it finds thousands of galaxies, each filled with countless stars and perhaps worlds of their own. So, when you look up on a clear night, and you see that faint glow of the Milky Way, remember, every single dot of light is part of a much bigger story. Every beam of light that reaches your eyes has been traveling through space for thousands, millions, or even billions of years, just to be seen by you in this very moment. And then comes the biggest mystery of all: what lies beyond the edge of what we can see? We don't truly know. Some scientists believe that the universe continues far past our observable limit. Others even suggest that there might be multiple universes, a vast multiverse, where countless realities could exist beyond our own. It's one of the greatest questions in modern science, and one that reminds us how much there still is to learn. And that's the wonder of it all. We live on one small planet, orbiting one small star, in a galaxy among billions, inside a universe so vast it defies imagination. Yet somehow, we're able to look up, explore, and understand a little piece of it. It's humbling, and it's beautiful. Thank you so much for watching Astronomy with Pam. Don't forget to subscribe, and join me next time, when we'll explore another fascinating question: why do planets orbit the Sun? Until then, keep looking up, because the universe is waiting.